I'm Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, and today I'm going to be talking about autocorrect. If you've seen or if you've ever actually had a mobile phone, you know what autocorrect is. It's when you're texting something in your mobile phone and then the phone autocorrects it to something else. And sometimes they're quite funny what it autocorrects it to. Why does this matter for SMS marketing? Well, when a consumer is opting into an SMS marketing campaign, let's say they're texting the word, pizza to a short code, 12345. If the phone auto-corrects the keyword and then sends it to 12345, if the brand doesn't have the auto-corrected version of the keyword set as one of their keywords, it's going to create an error message and the consumer's not going to know what happened. So this brings up actually a really good point, is when testing your SMS marketing campaign before launch or even during launch or during the campaign, you're always going to want to see how consumers can get things wrong, and then if they do get things wrong, how you as a brand can help them and steer them to get them to the place they want to go. So one of the examples is autocorrect. So what you're going to want to do is grab some phones from around the office. If you have a keyword like join or pizza, I doubt it's going to autocorrect. But if you have a weird brand name or you're using a name that maybe is not very prevalent in the English language that might try to autocorrect, you definitely either want to switch the keyword to a word that won't cause an autocorrect. But if you need that keyword, you're definitely going to want to grab and reserve all of those different variations of the keyword. Now this can also happen just with consumers messing up your keyword instead of not the phone. So what I would do is I would get variations of your keyword and reserve them for plural variations. So pizza, pizzas, maybe misspellings of a keyword as well. So if you have a word that might be misspelled by someone or they add an S on the end, you definitely want to grab all those different keywords. So when they text in, no matter if it's a misspelling, an autocorrect, or the actual keyword, they're going to be opted in or they're going to receive the message back that they should have received. Now, one way that, because you can't anticipate everything that someone's going to text in, is you always want to make sure that your error message, the text message error message, has information about how to opt in or how to interact with the program. Usually error messages required by the CTIA and the wireless carriers will require, reply help for help, stop for stop. But one thing that I never see brands doing is reply with the keyword that they want to join the campaign or to download the app or to receive more information. In the error message, in the text message, you need the help and the stop type message or the prompt, but you also want to say in there how, if they text in, let's say, car, and they're supposed to text in pizza, obviously you would never know that they're going to text in the word car, but in that error message that gets sent back to the consumer, you're going to want to say something like, if you're looking to join our mobile program, reply join. So then they know how to join, so they're not just stuck there going, well, I don't know how to get in. And that can also help with autocorrects or misspellings or just completely the consumer texting something completely different than what your keyword is. So hopefully that helps. Really the goal, I think, for text message marketing to decrease subscriber churn, increase new subscribers, and make consumers happy is to anticipate how they could mess up opting in or interacting with your campaign. And then by anticipating it, then you can send messages back to them that are appropriate, that help them, that guide them to where they want to go.